Hi, now we are going to see about a guest history FOM. So what is the purpose of guest history FOM and where we can get the screen? We'll see that. Just come down, come up front office, guest history and operations. So here we can get the guest history FOM. So from here, see if you want to create new guest, so without check-in and reservation check-in, walk-in check-ins. If you want to create new guest, suppose the guest has come from this like restaurant guest. So if you want to maintain, then you can maintain from here. Is also you have to create a new guest name, and otherwise if already occupied guest, so you have to go with the modify and put the search engine. Suppose I know the guest name, I'll just enter the guest name Muhammad and select. So which one? So based on that you have to select. And now, so it's come from which company, you have to enter the company name. If it is come from company means, so that you have to enter the company name, and after that mobile number, and next you have to go to this reservation details. Means it's come from the reservation details. This is coming from how many times this reservation details will be shown from here. See, reservations and cancellation, how many times they have reserved and how many times they have cancelled, so it will come from here. And after that view id, so this will come from when we are made a check-in, that time we are uploading the data like id proof, so that id we can get from here. And next, personal details. So if you want to enter the personal details of this guest, you have to enter the anniversary date, birth date, medical card if you have any medical card, society security membership number, and after that his whose name, whose name, like that. And after that preference details. So what is his preference, which room type they are mostly like, and which newspaper he has mostly like, and which outlet they are prefer to using the food, and which room number they are liking, and what is the special food for him, and what is the drink for him. So we have to maintain that it will be appear in the guest history, so we can get from the guest history of him. Based on that we can serve to the guest. And visit, so if you go to the visit, so how many times this guest has visit, so you can get from here. So total nights they are giving one night, so based on that we can see the details, guest details, arrival date, departure date, tariff, how much tariff they have given to us, and how many nights booked by. And after that, passport details. If you have a passport, so you have to enter the entire passport details. If you not enter the check-in time, so then after you have to enter from the guest history of you. And so here you have to enter passport number, issued place, issue date, expiry date, and if it's a developer information, you have to enter the card number, embassy name, issued place, issue date, expiry date, and after that passport number, issue date, and issue place and expiry date, FHR number. Now let's go to comments. If they are giving any comments to the hotel or reception peoples or front house people or restaurant peoples, just get the comments from the guest. You have to here get into the comments. And after that, complaints, if they are giving any complaints, you have to enter from the complaints here. And after finally you can make it save. So it's asking, do you want it in the screen? Yes means it will come again, say the same details. Then if it's save, if you know, you have to enter no, then everything will be clear. And we have one more options here. See, merge. We are using the merge is using for that if the guest is coming multiple times, so they have multiple entries there, so that guest you need to merge in one guest, so that purpose it will be used. See, now I'm typing Mr. Muhammad. So which guest code you are going to merge? See, this much of Muhammad is there. Every entire guest should be in one Muhammad, means you have to merge it. So you have to select and merge, guest detail merged. So same like that you have to do one by one. So one more to make it as merge. Now I can click merge. So this is already merged, so that's why showing it not able to make a merge. So like this is the way you are going to make a merge, and this is the purpose we are using the guest history FOM. So you can maintain the guest details, entire details in the guest history FOM. That's it. Thank you.